Good morning! Ayan, sasayaw tayo ngayon ng lamok at squid game. Ayan, squid game at saka lamok. Kaya isi-share natin yan. I-share natin yung gagayahin natin. Pinakasikat ngayon. Okay, lamok muna. Sikat na sikat ngayon yan. Ay, hindi yan. Saan ba yun? Saan na yung squid game? Saging. Gusto ko na saging, okra.
You're beautiful.
Saging, okra. Ano ba gusto ko? Hindi ko maisip. Oh, may cheese dyan eh. Maganda rin yun. Pandesal. Tapos may cheese dyan eh. Squid game.
Saging.
Saging. Tapos ano pa yung isa sinasabi ko kanina na ulam? Okra? Ano pa ba yun?
Okra, pandesal.
Yung isdang bibili mo yung masarap?
Alaka ako di kaya yung
Okay.
sige.
Share natin Share natin. Ano lang yung... Teka muna. Sandali. Gagayahin ko yan eh. Kaya lang iniisip ko. Makapiright ako sa music eh. Maghanap tayo ng music na na non-copyright. Sandali. Uy, gabi na yata sa sa... Ang pangalan to? Sa Canada? Anong oras na dyan? Mega love shout out. Thank you, channel. Hi there, Karim. You're there. Hello. Thank you, channel. Thank you, channel. And then we have Haidar Karim. Haidar Karim. Haidar Karim, hello. Ayan, ano naman? Request again. Always requesting. Okay, so hello. Thank you, channel. And then Haidar Karim. Haidar Karim, hello. I don't know if I have asan yun? Yung aking shirt na yun. Where's the shirt? I cannot find. Maybe it's in the
Oh no!
Maybe it's in the laundry. I do not see.
Oh no! Wow! Yahoo!
You're beautiful.
To contact my other friends. Uy, Kabsat, thank you, channel, 5:30 p.m. Musta ka na? Ikaw na uli may hawak niyan, hindi na yung kapatid mo? Ikaw na uli may hawak niyan? Ikaw na uli nag-manage? Ikaw na uli nag-manage ng YT channel mo? Aking live stream wala masyado upload. Ako nga, exercise lang talaga eh. My live stream is composed of my exercise because I don't have time to do this during work hours. So ngayon lang ako may time. In the morning, early morning, I request this all. It's cute. Thank you. So it's cute. Is this long sleeve shirt? Yeah, it's usually we use long sleeve shirt that you tie around your waist. So that's it. I have the other one, the black one. It was already in the laundry, so I cannot find it. So do you dance, Haidar Karim? Dancing is one of my exercise. I do swimming also. A little bit of swimming, tennis, walking, of course, very good exercise, walking and jogging. So, ayan. Most of the people in the Philippines, they are still asleep at this time. So I do my exercise whenever the people are still sleeping. So I don't have any basher. Ay, nako. So may music. Just walking. Okay. I will be following the dance step of the Squid Game. Share with you. What time is it in your place? In Pakistan? Are you from Pakistan? Ano, Haider? Haider Karim? So this is one of exercise that I will follow. TikTok and Facebook na, and even in YouTube. I hope you can join me as we dance kung ako'y mag-aasawa. Ay, what happened to this one? Ala, naano siya, nagalaw siya.
Oh no!
Nahuli siya. Hindi siya nahuli.
BMC Angels.
Joy!
Oh no!
Shake it out. Shake it. Shake it. Shake.
Kung ako'y mag-aasawa, ang pipiliin ko, anak ng bombero.
Bombero.
Bomba siya, bomba ako. Bombahan kami, ang ating kape. At kung ako naman ay mag-aasawa,
Ahoy, ahoy.
pipiliin ko, anak ng mangingisda. Sisig siya, sisig ako sa taon. Sisira kami, habang mahuli yung rope. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Woohoo!
You're beautiful.
Shake it. Shake it.